Great. Good afternoon, readers, ladies and gentlemen. You see me standing here looking rather like a Klingon. That's because I'm wearing a pair of the world's best headphones. Now, I'll take them off now. I'll spell it. Sennheiser, this is the HD800. And it's very easy to make a claim like the world's best headphone, but it's absolutely proven out by one single listen. Now, Sennheiser invented the modern headphone, which is the HD414, in the late 70s, which went on to sell, I think it was 6 million. Just asking my beautiful assistant here, 6 million copies. And since then, Sennheiser have been at the forefront of development of headphones. 15 years ago, we made a £10,000 electrostatic headphone called the Orpheus. And that's been a benchmark for high-end performance ever since. But we realize that many people can't afford a £10,000 headphone. Now, we have a lot of experience in headphones. One of the advantages as one moves on in time is more and more materials become available. So this project, the HD800 project, was designed to be the best headphone in the world. It was designed to match our legendary Orpheus headphone. But we're using 21st century materials here. So you'll see a lot of other companies making luxurious headphones, and they cut down endangered trees to make wooden shells for them. Or they kill cows to make earpads. And this is pretty ridiculous in this modern age. Plus which, making things of wood has major disadvantages in that wood resonates. So I don't know how well you guys can see this, but there's going to be some great pictures floating around. The first thing we have here is a brand new drive unit. I'm doing this because it's called a ring driver. It's 56 millimeters in diameter, which is the largest drive unit ever put in a domestic headphone. The advantage of being large is it allows to move a lot of air, delivers bass down to 6 hertz. Which is the sort of bass that will have your stomach shaking, and the treble goes up to 46 kilohertz, which is astonishing at the high end. So you've got a fantastic drive unit. And the problem with headphones is the drive unit is then affected by everything else in the headphone. So we've gone to extraordinary lengths to make this a headphone in which there's no vibration. So the complete surround is made of aerospace grade polymers. They're harder than titanium, they're much lighter, and they damp themselves. The headband is 3 layers of steel with layers of rubber in between, so the headband damps itself. The pads are very soft. There's a lovely material. It's very soft on the ear, and it's very easy to clean. Because the drivers are large, you can see that they sit all the way around my ear. So there's nothing is actually touching my ear. Everything's sitting softly around it. And then I hope you can see here is the headphone is only suspended at one single point. So the capsule is actually floating on this one point. So when you put it on, it automatically configures to your shape of head. Just like that. A little bit of vertical adjustment, but as well as being one of the world's best headphones, there's a very important element. They're one of the world's most comfortable headphones. You want to sit and listen to these for a 5-hour listening session, you'll come out of the other side still incredibly comfortable. There's a lot more of this story. Every element of the product has been designed for this. So we went to a company in Switzerland to make new connectors to connect the cables. We have very, very special, expensive cabling. Well, I'm not going to pull it off here, but even the plug at the other end is a superb bit of engineering. I'm not going to go into the technical details because I have a colleague, John Willett, who's going to take you through all of this. So thanks for listening to this point. To appreciate these, you have to try the HD800s. There are going to be about 20 dealers across the UK who'll be stocking these. You can make an appointment, come and listen, and if you're an enthusiast, you're probably going to buy them. Thank you.